Hey, good morning. It's February 2023, coming live from frozen Dallas. If you look in the back, you can kind of see what it looks like. It's pretty cold right now. So what is the topic today? Today we are going to be really looking at how to set up Google Ads using a smart campaign. Last time we showed you how to do this. Let's see, this is our client. Well, we'll talk about the client in a minute, but we showed you this using Google Business. But today, we're really going to set up the smart campaign using the main Google Ads setup, okay? And I have a couple of links in here that I will put in the comments below and in the description below. And by the way, if you're struck with Google Ads or have questions on smart campaigns, regular campaigns, nonprofit campaigns, definitely reach out to us. So going back to this, what is a Google Smart Campaign anyway? Well, it's the artist formerly known as Google Ads Express, right? It focuses on small scale and local businesses. What's nice about it, it does use automation from Google, so you don't have to be managing it actively every week, every day. Smart campaigns also give the businesses the option to add a landing page if you don't have a website. So this is, I think, an important point, that maybe you don't have a website, which is a separate conversation. You should always have a website if you have a small business. And then using these Google ad campaigns, you can also advertise on the search and the display network. We'll talk about that in a minute. I like these campaigns because it's less cumbersome for the business owner, as the Google will be running the ads for you. So like I mentioned, today we're going to be using one of our clients. It's our lawyer clients from California. They do estate planning in Covina, which is outside of LA. The name of the company is Tyre Law Group. Before you set up any campaigns, you need to do two things, okay? You need to have a budget. Today our budget is going to be $10 a day. And location, we're going to be using Covina, or the radius targeting, which is Kash's favorite because he's from UK. So let's jump into it. Like I started kind of showing you. So again, here's the lawyer website, Tyre Law Group. If you are in California and need a estate plan, go to Tony Say Kash sent you. And then I also showed you this last time when we were talking about this. I came in here into the business profile. It used to be Google My Business. They've changed that a million times, and then I clicked on this advertise button on the right. We're not going to do that today. We're actually going to just use the regular Google Ads campaign, okay? So I think, all right, that's enough chatter. Let's get going. What are we doing right now? This is a campaign that's that's an all-time campaign. I don't need to see this much information. So let's look at the last 30 days. In the last 30 days, yeah, it's sort of slid down a little bit. We're kind of making some adjustments, but here we go. We're running 3 campaigns here already. You can see that hang on a second, if I scroll to the right, somehow I lost my you can tell that one of them is a display, and then the other 2 are search campaigns. Okay, so I'm going to like I said, set up a new campaign. I'm in fact going to use one of our existing campaigns that we had created, I want to say last year or maybe the year before. We're gonna find this down here. See where it says website traffic smart. I'm going to select that one, and then I mean the process is the same. We'll let you go. We'll cover the details. So obviously it says all countries in the world. That's not what we need. I'm going to in fact select this one. Yeah, my computer's definitely running a little slow, so actually I don't know what's going on here. Maybe it's the winter, but so let's just put in, for now, let's put in Covina just to keep it a little simple. Covina, there it is, California. So there it is, the city of California. We're going to target that. And And all the other settings, I'm just going to leave them as is. And scroll down, and it's just going to be English for now. Under more settings, we're just going to leave it as is. Nothing crazy here. Okay. So let's just do that. And I'm going to click next. Sorry, the screen formatting is a little jacked up here, so I may gonna keep going back and forth here. I do apologize for that. So what's our daily budget? We talked about this, right? It's $10 a day. And again, the budget is, remember, going to vary by what, you know, by you basically, and your area. So, and the cost per click. If you're an insurance company, your cost of click can be higher. If you're a photographer, I work with a couple of local photographers in Dallas. Their cost per click is not that high. So for now, I mean, it's saying cost per acquisition is 100. Let's just go through this. We'll make this 50. Okay. I guess, yeah, because of that. Well, I don't know. Maybe let's just do 10. I'm just, at this point, I'm trying to kind of go through the tutorial. So somehow I'm not seeing my, oh, there it is, my next button. So let's do this. Kash, sometimes you have to look. All right, so, and then it says optimized targeting is set up for you. We're not gonna do any of that, so next. All right, so this is very important part, as you know. You have to, you know, set up your URL. This is going to be just a branding campaign, so I'm going to pick their homepage basically. All right, and come back to this. Let's put that one in there. So we're sending it to website and apps. Let's see. So business name. You have the headlines. You have the description. So business name is obviously Tyre Law Group. And I just tend to copy paste because I'm terrible at typing things in, as you already know. So I'm going to, where's the name of the company? I think it's just Tyre Law Group. I'm overthinking things today, looks like. So Tyre Law Group. I'm not going to add any image right now. I'm going to simply move on to the headlines. So I like this one. We're gonna add that one in there. Let me add some law offices of, yep, Tony J. Tyre. I like that one. And they're offering a free consultation. So I'm going to add that in there. And definitely, if you have any sort of specials, definitely do that because they tend to grab people's attention. And then I'm going to say something like call now. Notice how I'm capitalizing every word. That's considered good practice. I'm going to add that one in there, I think, and then let's see, I think that's fine. What else can I do? See, I didn't put in estate planning attorney, so let's just do that. Estate plan attorney. You know, that's, and then maybe make it even planning. Okay, certainly you can add more. Now descriptions, let me add this one. It says estate planning and probate law offices. appropriate law, and I will just put a period here, period, because you're trying to make these sentences offices in Covina and Temple. Let's make it convenient, because who doesn't want convenience, right? Convenient offices. And then in the description could be literally, I think if you go to the website, I think it's always a good idea to just grab some, and there you go. Tony is served like by the State Bar of California. I think that's a great description. And of course Google's giving you ideas too. I'm trying to kind of like, there you go. Sometimes they just get in the way. Come on, man. Alright, I'm gonna have to maximize this. Sorry about this. It's just okay, so this one's too long. The certified specialist in this state is certified. Let's just do that. Certified in state planning, trust, and I'll just remove one of these commas. I think that's getting in the way. There you go. Boom. Right, so what did we do? Let's just recap. We added the URL, added the name, used some headlines, and I'm just trying to finish this. Other things you can do, certainly, and let's say, I think let's just add one more here. Hundreds of cases, we're here to help. There you go. I think that's fine. All right, we're going to say create ad. And I'm going to say next. Campaign name, we're going to call this I guess smart campaign, because I'm really smart. Not really. And we'll put Kash in here because I know their team's working also on this, so I don't want to. So this is sort of like pretty much what we are looking at here. It's a display campaign. It's in California. Here's the budget. Target per acquisition is $10. Targeting is on. Ad creation. I believe we are at a good spot here. Where's my final button here? Oopsie. I'm missing something here. I believe that's it. Our company, we are based in Dallas, Texas, like I said. We are offering special this month. It just started on Google Business Profile, 50% off our regular pricing. What does that mean? We normally charge 3 hours for the listing, so we're giving you half off. Okay, here's our website. Connect with us on social media, and we'll chat soon. Have a good one.